How you doing? It's Trenius Henderson. You're tuned in to the correct channel at the right time. It's July 20th. We're slowly approaching the middle of summer. And despite everything that's going on in the world right now, I still feel like the universe has so much in store for you. I truly believe that the universal divine powers are always working for us because we do right. So in this video, I'm about to give you an update. A lot of people have been asking, when will money manifest after receiving the money email, Trenius? I need to know this, okay? So I'm about to break down that question to you in this video, as well as tell you what you need to do once you receive your manifested money or the breakthrough of financial blessing that you will receive after you have purchased this money email, okay? So stay tuned through this video. I'm gonna answer some of your very important questions. Like I said, I've been getting a lot of y'all's emails in the past 48 hours. And I'm looking forward, if you haven't got the money email yet, I'm looking forward to getting the email from you after this video. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in. Starseeds living in a starseed world. We're constantly co-creating our reality now. We no longer have to live life average anymore or follow the status quo. Instead, we know that we are constantly creating our reality simply by using our thoughts. And that's what we are doing with this money and these finances, capital, currency. Wonder why they call it currency, right? Because money is energy. Okay, so that's what this is all about. It's a metaphysical approach to actually inheriting cash. And if you know how to process this information that I have sent you in the money email, then you too, just like me, will begin to receive money in multiple different streams. Okay, this is true. All right, so once again, like I said, I just keep receiving emails. When will it come? When will I get my money email, Trenius? Does this really work? And a lot of people are in doubt of, you know, if they actually take this risk of getting this money email, which is very inexpensive. I don't see why people could be doubting the risk in the first place. Okay, I specifically made it to be inexpensive just so that everybody can get it. Okay, but a lot of people have been asking the same questions, and this is the answer to that question. Okay, we got to keep in mind when we're using the universal laws, okay, we're basically relying on the universe to give us money. Okay, the first thing that we have to keep in mind is that, remember, this is all about non-resistance. Okay, non-resistance. Do not question the universe. Okay, don't question the universe. Is like, what day is it gonna be? What time is it gonna be? If I actually do this, will it come after this? Listen, that's the last thing that you want to do when you are expecting a big money miracle breakthrough from the universe. The universe works in mysterious ways, folks. It works in mysterious ways way beyond the human imagination. So there is no way you can possibly fathom how your money is going to come to you. The only thing you got to know is that divine powers are always working for you. Okay? The money will come, but it will not come. I repeat, it will not come in a way that you are expecting it. Remember, it will always come when you least expect it. Okay, so I hope that answered the question to a lot of people that's in doubt and disarray as to when after this money email, when my money will come. If you continuously think and worry and you're trying to beat the universe to the answer, it's never going to come. I can go ahead and tell you that right now. Okay, non-resistance is the key to getting anything that you desire in this world. Meaning, you know that you're going to get it, but don't act or think or talk about you actually even wanting it. See what I'm saying? So that's the answer to that question. I hope that cleared it up. If that cleared it up for you, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you was the one that probably sent me an email. I know it was several of y'all. All right. Now, speaking of me, once again, speaking of me, when did my finances change? When did my life begin to change for the betterment when it comes to finances? Once again, Just like in the video I said yesterday, if you want to subscribe to me, make sure you subscribe to the channel. But it's just like the video I said in yesterday where I said, it took me about a year, okay? I came across this information. It was information that I've never, ever read before, okay? I've read so many different books and I've listened to so many different people who try to tell you how to change your financial life. But I understood that stuff, but it never really worked in my life, okay? Me being a star seed, it never really worked in my life, okay? I can say that. I can say that about my life, all right? But when I came across this information, the way it's written, the way it's described to you once you get it, the videos and stuff that's gonna be included in it. When you come across the Stuart Wow video that's also in the money email. Now, this is the type of information that I could understand. I mean, like I said, I've tried to do everything to change my finances, man, but it never really worked for me. Okay, this is the only stuff that worked for me. And so what I did was I said, man, how can I get you to understand finances and how to make money the way that I have money now today? Okay, and the only thing I could think of was like, my intuition told me like, just give them all the information that you came across when, you know, you were struggling and you was going through hard financial times. And so that's what I did. I consolidated all of the information into one big blockchain email, and I'm sending it to people. If you get it, you get it. If you don't, I don't know what else to do, okay? Because that's how I got here. I went down that same path. I looked at that same information. I watched those same videos, which includes me in some of those videos, and I'm off to Starbucks. My life changed in a year. It took me a year, okay? But for some of y'all, I know some of y'all are so much more inquisitive than I am, and your thinking processes operate much more faster than me, okay? I wouldn't be surprised if some of y'all are able to change your finances in a month. Okay, you probably will get results from this money email in a month. Some of y'all 2 months, some of y'all 6 months max. Okay, but me, I wasn't probably as smart as half of y'all, and I seen my life change in a year. Okay, and at that time I was still working when I came across this information. I was still working a 9-to-5, which I hated at the time. But even though I was reading this information while I was at work, it was doing something to my mind. Okay, so I don't know. If you want to still work your 9-to-5 and you haven't gotten the money email, be my guest. Work your 9-to-5. In all due respect, work your 9-to-5. If you still want to live a life where you're on a schedule for somebody else to live somebody else's dream, be my guest. I'm only making this video to talk to the people who want to completely change their lifestyle, who want to completely change their finances, and they are completely relying upon the universal laws. Okay? So one thing that you must know is that to be financially free, like right now, I would say I'm about 85% financially free. I'm not 100% there yet, I can be honest with you. But I would say I'm about 85% financially free, okay? And one of the feelings that I'm experiencing right now that you will experience once you become financially free is that taking risk is normal. Okay, it's a normality in a financially free lifestyle, because once you're financially free, it ain't no strings attached. It's kind of like like I said, it's kind of like you jumped out of an airplane in a parachute and you're just gliding over the land. You just glide. You're able to go wherever you want. You're able to do whatever you want to do, and you're just kind of just going with the flow. Wake up in the morning, and you think about like, what am I gonna do today? I mean, what do I want to go do today? All right. So to be financially free, it requires you to take risk. Now, a lot of people are afraid to take risk because they are so hipped to doing the same things over and over. They're so used to a pattern to the point that if they feel like they go out of bounds of that pattern, something bad will happen. Okay. I used to think the same way. Like I used to think like, man, if I take my last $20 and go get me this shirt that I really want to buy, knowing tonight I won't have nothing to eat, what I want to do? Do I want to buy me this shirt that I really want to buy to impress the ladies at school tomorrow? Or do I want to get me something to eat at night? But you know what I did? A lot of people wouldn't do this. I went and bought the shirt, okay? Because guess what? That shirt is going to make me raise my vibration. I'm going to feel good about myself. And that's all I lacked at the time. I lacked confidence. So now that I had that confidence, okay, that confidence is me energy and vibrations. Once you have the energy that you need and you're in the proper frequency of money, then everything else will follow behind you and will open up doors and opportunities for you to actually get money once you got the energy and you're on the frequency, okay? So taking risk is different. Taking risk seems scary. It seems like you're doing something that you know you shouldn't be doing. But the truth of the matter is you are different. Okay, if you know you are different, then that means you got to be totally opposite of everyone else. Okay, the whole time I was circulating money on things that I really just wanted to buy versus thinking about making payments on bills, I was raising my vibration. Once I raised my vibration, the bills fell behind me. I paid them on time, even though I wasn't on time, because I had enough vibration to talk to the bill collector on the phone in such a positive way that it blew their mind, and it made them want to charge me later in the days. You know what I mean? Like, okay, you good, Trent. Oh, you've made my day. Just give me a review. Did I do a good job for you? You don't got to pay this bill to 2 weeks from now, okay? Raise your vibration. It gives you the confidence. It gives you the positive energy. It gives you everything that you need in order to attract money, okay? So, I hope that answered your question on when will money manifest. Okay, and see, here's another thing that you got to understand. Here's another thing that you got to understand for those of you who out there have already purchased this money email, okay? You got to stop thinking about dividends, okay? You can no longer think about dividends. You can no longer think about the value of $1, okay? You got to now start thinking about affirmations, speaking things into existence. I used to think about dividends and bills and stuff too, and how would this get paid and how much money I need to pay this bill. And I used to think like that too. But see, when you're on the other side of the river, you understand that you can attract money a totally different way using the law of attraction, okay? Remember, whatever you're constantly thinking about the most, that's what you're gonna get. So if you can defy the laws of physics and say to yourself, I don't want to think about money like everybody else. I'm different from everybody else. I believe that I don't even have to work to make money. I believe that money can just come to me. Then you are completely reliant upon the universal laws of attraction. And whatever you think, that's what you're going to get. Money will come to you the way you think it will come to you. Okay? It's some people out there on the beach right now, out there on South Beach right now. They ain't doing nothing, probably on their laptop, drinking mimosas, up under an umbrella, getting a tan, because they have it in their mind that they can do that and at the same time make money, okay? While you got some people who working right now, watching this video, who are in doubt of taking a risk to buy something that will actually help them get out of their situation. And they're like, you know what? I don't even think that it's gonna work because I don't know when it's gonna come. It's up to you. Okay, so remember, the universal laws are always working. Okay, speaking affirmations into existence. I am rich. I am money. I'll get money all the time. Money comes to me. I'm a money magnet. Money surrounds me. I smell like money. I look like money. I walk like money. Everything about me is money. That's how I got to where I am right now, because I used to always say these affirmations over my life, even though at the time I wasn't in a position that showed everybody else that I was actually financially free. See what I'm saying? But it took me a year. It took me about a year after I came across this information, which I so much needed. And then that's when I began to see a change in my life, okay? So after you receive this money email, for those of you who already received it, hats off to you. Thank you so much for participating and doing something different. And investing into yourself so that you can have a great year this year. Like I said, I believe that 2020 has so much to offer. So many people have been sidetracked already, and that's exactly what they want people to do. So many people are distracted already, and they have been totally thrown off their New Year's resolutions. And all those manifestations that they are supposed to receive this year in 2020, a lot of people have already fell off the radar. They are not going to get them. Only that 1% is still in total control, and I hope that 1% is you. Comment below and let me know if you are still in that 1%. Have you been thrown off your focus, or are you still in alignment and focused on manifesting your money? I will hope that you hit the thumbs up button and comment below. Okay, but after you receive this money email and you go over the information in this email, I don't really know necessarily what's going to happen for you because, like I said, everybody's different. Everybody's minds think totally different. But I can say this. You will have maybe ideas come to you about things that you can start up to generate you money. There may be opportunities to come to you in everyday your lifestyle. Opportunities might present themselves to you. Hey, I got an idea. You can make some money. You can do this. Some of y'all might get phone calls when people are offering y'all different jobs to make even more money. Some of y'all will get miracle money that will come in the mail, or you'll find money in your house or something. Some of y'all will be giving money from loved ones around you. Some of y'all might have the opportunity to receive a loan. If you can get a loan, this is all a part of the law of attraction. But once again, everybody looks at this stuff in a worldly point of view. Oh man, somebody's trying to give me money. They must want it back. No, it's a part of what you have been manifesting the whole time. Oh man, this company is giving me a loan. They must want it back. No, the universe said, you said to the universe you want this amount of money, so this company is giving you this amount of money. See, most people's mind is programmed to always think about the pessimistic part of a blessing that they receiving. Like if somebody give somebody like $20 for gas money, the person is always thinking like, nah, I don't want that gas money because it's gonna make me look needy. Failing to realize it's a blessing in disguise. Somebody is giving you money for riding in their car because they took you somewhere. Wow, now that's a hell of a blessing, right? Like I ain't never had nobody do that, but let me know if you had somebody do that, give you money for taking you somewhere, all right? And they gave you money at the end of the ride. Now that's some real creepy stuff, but you get the point that I'm saying, right? You get the point that I'm saying. Listen, it ain't no ends and limits to the universe as to how you're gonna receive or manifest money after you get this money email. All right. The way y'all receive money, multiple different ways. Totally different for what you're going to do or what you might receive. Okay. But anyway, so I hope this cleared up everything. This is July 20th. Once again, this is the summertime, folks. Some of y'all got to get on the wave, catch the wave, get on this boat so you can start flowing upstream to your financial freedom. Okay. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to this video. Once again, to clear up the question, do not comment below it and say, Trends, send me the money email. I'm not sending out any money emails to nobody. Once again, you have to get in contact with me if you are interested in purchasing it. You got to get in contact with me. Send me an email at TreniusHenderson@gmail.com. TreniusHenderson@gmail.com. And I will purchase that email, or not purchase it, but I will put that email in the top comment. If you look at the very top comment of all the comments, you will see my email where you can send me an email letting me know, informing me that you want the money email today. Okay. And so with that being said, once again, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Shout outs to everybody out there who've already received it. Your life has been transformed. Okay, good luck to you. God bless all. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe by clicking my face icon right there. And hit that bell notification so you can be notified with new videos like these two right here every single day. So when will money manifest after receiving the money email? It depends on your faith and it depends on your belief. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.